You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. Irish origin, meaning bitter, apparently, or bitter. Unusual Mary variety. It's a variant of Mary, alright? Maurya is generally how it's pronounced in English. Now I've heard it's also quite commonly used in India, Maurya, but in English, Maurya. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Maurya? Maurya? No, that would be Hawaiian, but I don't think that's Hawaiian. Maurya is generally how it is pronounced. Let us know how you pronounce it in the comments down below. Maurya or anything else, your pronunciation, let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.